Alright, in this video I'm going to do a quick overview of transactional replication. There are three flavors of replication in SQL Server. We've got snapshot, transactional, and merge. And we're not going to delve into those or talk more about them, but those are the three. And we're going to set up transactional replication here. What is replication? If you're completely new to replication, we're going to take data from one database, right, and move it to another database. In our scenario here with transactional replication, we're going to take it here, we're going to move it down to a new container called new database, and any changes made to the data here will be replicated to this database. You get a destination and source. Alright, so let's go ahead and start the process. So we've got a replication folder. It would make sense to start there. So we're going to start with a new publication. Get a wizard. Everything's a wizard these days. I'm fine with that. These are just a location. Alright, saying the distributor. It's going to distribute the data. Which one do you want it to be? Where you want it? Yep, that's fine. That's where we want it to be. We're going to distribute from here to here. Alright, need a folder for the snapshots. We want a new database. We want to set up snapshot, no, transactional. Down here is a little informational, little description upon what it is. And we want tables. We want to do all the tables, but we can't. Why? Well, because if we look, we've got address. We want that one. So what's going on? Employee looks fine. Oh, there's a database send right there. There's no primary key here. So we need to add a primary key here. So let's make it the phone ID. Oh, yes, yeah. Okay, won't let us do it. Well, it'll let us do it. We gotta go tell it. Tools, options. So, prevent, right here we are. Prevent saving changes that require table creation. No. Let's try this again. So now we have what we need, right? And if we refresh, we better have, or should have. Oh, there he goes. So we should be good. Let's go back here. Let's move back. Now hit it again. It's going to make us come out. I wonder if we could refresh tables. Can we? You must select. Yeah, I got it. Can I refresh here somewhere? No, it's not going to pick it up. Will I have to go? It looks like it's going to make me go from, looks like it's caching that. Alright, so let's just do it from the beginning. Alright, so here we go. Down to local publications, new pub. Boom. Boom. What am I running on time? We're good. Location for the snapshots folder. There's what we want. We want transactional replication. There we go. Give me all the tables. That's right. Don't want to filter. I want to create it immediately. Security. Yeah, sure. Again, I'm not going to talk about this in depthly, so we're not going to discuss what all these screens mean. I just want you to see it set up and see it work and see what it's used for. Moving data from one place to another. Pretty cool stuff. Alright, so create the publication. Yes, finish. What do you want to call it? Articles. Articles are the tables. Articles don't have to be tables. They can be other objects, but for our scenario, they are the tables. We want to right click and we want to view the snapshot agent status. 100%. 4 articles were generated. So we've got this. Now we're going to place it down there. Alright, so new we've got our publication, so we want a new subscriber. Who is going to subscribe to this? Who's going to get this data? Camden Solo. The publication, yes, we want test. That's the name of them. Run all agents at the distributor. We want that. New database. Oh, I know it's original. Bingo. What do we got? New query. And there you go. Oh, now what did come up here? And you're thinking, all right, well, big deal. Oh, the cool part is when you do an insert here, right? This is where we're back at the, come down here where we at, I can't the 32 solo. We're at the source, right? So now we've added a row to where? To the employee table. Let's see how long it takes to get down to there. Bingo. Pretty quick. Are we at the right place? Acantha 2 Yoda. Yep, we're at the right place. Acantha 32 Yoda, and that is pretty quick, right? Pretty cool stuff, huh? Yeah. Yeah, I agree. I like replication. The only let's make sure we're good. Am I in the right? Sometimes I'll this bar down here. Let me, while I rant, how much time do I have? I got a little time to rant. If a Microsoftie or whatever sees my videos, or you know someone who did this right here, this right here, this little bar down here with it's color coded with yellow, is one of the single greatest inventions to Management Studio ever. Alright, lets you know where you are. Alright, it's awesome. Alright, we're on Yoda. You're on Yoda, and we are on, let's take the replication. Subscriptions. And there we go, new database. Alright, we are on the what is called the subscriber, or the destination database. Alright, and that is it. I will rant no further. Cool stuff. Replication's awesome. Used it almost every place I've ever worked. It's awesome for scenarios where you have this is your OLTP database, and you want to set up a database that's reporting, and it's got to be live. Everyone wants live data, don't they? Even these are like developers. We need live data. No, you don't. But you know, yeah, we're accommodative, we DBAs. All right, so I'm done ranting. That is transactional replication.